Welcome to our explainer. Today, we're diving into how Claude's new interactive connectors completely transform developer workflows.
Here's the rundown. We'll cover interactive connectors, tool search, programmatic calling, and finally, tool use examples.
First up, MCP apps. These basically turn your everyday work tools into interactive connectors right inside Claude. So you can instantly build Asana timelines, whip up Figma flowcharts, or draft Slack messages. Pretty wild.
But hey, how do we actually scale these agents without totally crushing our context windows or latency?
Enter Tool Search. It completely tackles context bloat by ditching the old method of loading everything up front.
It dynamically loads only the tools you need, slashing token consumption by a massive 85%.
That literally preserves over 190,000 tokens for your actual work, plus it drastically improves tool selection accuracy. Now, what about intermediate results? Well, programmatic tool calling steps right in to solve that context pollution.
The secret? Claude actually writes Python code to safely orchestrate your tools right inside a secure sandbox.
Take budget compliance. The old way of checking 20 people dumps thousands of useless rows into context. With programmatic calling, Claude processes it all locally, returning only the actual budget offenders to the context window. This cuts token usage by 37% on complex tasks, eliminating those slow, repetitive inference passes. But even with efficient execution, rigid JSON schemas often leave formatting parameters incredibly ambiguous. The fix? Super simple. Just provide sample calls to show your exact formatting expectations right to Claude.
Teaching Claude these concrete usage patterns bumped accuracy on complex parameter handling from 72 to 90%. These features layer perfectly, right? Tool search for discovery, programmatic calling for execution, and examples for accuracy.
So, with these absolute game changers at your disposal, what complex AI agent are you going to build next?